Hello. Have you ever had cookies from Wendy's? They're pretty good. They're pretty good. Okay, so week 7. In terms of actually submitting things to Moodle, it's a pretty light week. There's really only one thing you have to do that I need evidence for this week. But this is the week that we're going to start focusing on our rough draft. So the first thing you need to do is complete the quiz, March Paper Guide. It's open notes, open internet if you need it, but all the answers are in what I'm about to show you. And it should be pretty easy. Now, if you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to an entire website, Google site, that I created just for you, just for this. So instead of a regular lesson, this website is packed with information on how to do everything for your March paper. And so here are your directions on what to actually do. Definitely, please, please, please look through this section, read this. And then these instructions are going to tell you that you can either work through the quiz as you read the website. You can read the website and then leave it open and go to the quiz, however you want to do it. The quiz does not time out, but you only get one attempt. So, and it has a due date, right? It has a due time, like it will shut off. But definitely take your time on this because it's going to take a while to do it well. So you can either navigate from here or you can go here. I would go across the top, but the assignment walkthrough is the exact same thing that I have in the book at the top of Moodle. This is the same, what face is that? This is the same video. And then this is the same video as you learned in one of your lessons at the beginning of this unit. And then here's an entire page on what a thesis statement is and how you're going to write one for this paper. And so there are questions about this in the quiz. And then, as you know, this paper requires 2 outside sources, excluding the book, so 3 total. And this is an entire page on how to do it. And then that's backed up by how to do a works cited page, and we've got some videos for this one, and then you get a sample paper. Actually, you get 2 sample papers. The one that made a C is going to be available here once it loads, and it's the one to not base your paper off of, but right underneath that there is a paper that made an A. That's the one to follow. But I put one that made a C so you can see the difference between what gets a C and what gets an A. And the quiz is going to ask you about both of them, like how to fix the one that makes a C. And then look at this thesis statement in the one that makes an A. Look how great it is. So that's the end of the quiz. But you'll see more right here, other helpful things. This page is just a reminder. That's all it is. The remember how to write a paper at the top, what you can't see of Moodle gives you even more information. I have told people about that so many times, and I think a lot of you are still missing it. So there it is one more time. And then what to do when you're done. And I know that I didn't know I could move me. So it does count for a grade. This is just about the quiz. So just work through all the tabs. The quiz moves in order of these tabs from left to right. So I hope that is pretty simple. One other thing, if you get to the sample paper section and this is blocked once it loads and you can't see the paper, they are right here. Okay, so there's no excuse, like it's a Google Doc and it should be set up correctly, or it's a Google PDF, it's in Drive, all that stuff. So you should be able to access it from the website, but just in case, here they are. So you can use these to work on your quiz as well. Whew. Okay, now take Wednesday to work on your paper. Your rough draft is due next week, and no forum. So that's all you have to worry about this week, is the March paper guide and getting that quiz in on time. And then it's just rough draft writing for the rest of the week. And this will work similarly to when we did the Dolly Parton paper. You will be submitting something to me and you will be getting feedback from me because we will still be online at that point. But more details on that next week. And there you go.